Hi, Bo again. Now we're going to have a quick look at the site builder, the website builder on the GainOnline platform, and how we're going to help you build the perfect site for your business. Okay, so let's have a look. This is one that we've previously done. You'll have seen it on a few of the other demo videos, but let's, for argument's sake, create a new website. So we're going to click the Add New Site up here at the top. Nice blue button. Okay, so now we're presented with a range of options of templates. You can scroll down through all of them. We can choose a template that's suitable for your business. Which one do you think looks best? I'm going to go for let's go for Diggity Dogs. I like it. So we can preview it first, or we can go straight to create. Let's go to create. Name the business. That'll do for now. And we have the option to either take a coffee break or go straight to editing. Let's go to edit. Okay. So as you can see, there's some information that's been automatically pulled through from the GainOnline platform, information that we've put in on the onboarding process. So the logo, a phone number, social profiles, and a few other things. A company description, slogans, you name it. So what that does is it immediately cuts down the amount of time it takes for you to get live with your website. So a website that might take a few days to get put together is going to take you, I'd say, less than half a day. It really is that powerful. So we can click on elements to edit. Let's go for hello there. Spelled wrong, but you get the idea. We can add other elements. Let's have a look at some of the elements we can add. So we've got the sitemap. At the moment, we've got a home page, an about us, and a contact page. You can see those here. Let's add a new page. So we can add a page, we can add a shop, we can add a link to an external website maybe, and add a blog, which is great for quickly updating your website with small bits of content, or we can share content. So let's go to new page next. What sort of page do we want to add? A blank page, so you've got complete creative free reign. Do you want a contact page, products, gallery, terms, reviews? We can see some page layouts that are going to help us with a bit of framework, an about us page, services, portfolio, FAQ, and error pages. For this demo, let's go for a services page, and you'll see a few options on how we can establish that page. So let's go for one with pictures that run down the left and some text on the right. I quite like that. Okay. So there you go. We've got a template ready for you to drop information into. Images, a bit of info about your services, and you can scroll down and do the same. Now let's say, for example, we want to add something a little bit different to one of the templates. That's all possible via our toolbox on the sidebar. Now the toolbox is broken down into certain elements. We've got basic elements, such as titles, text, images, etc. We've got structural elements, so columns or grids, tabs. So you can see this page at the moment is split into two columns, two 50% columns, one on the left and one on the right. We can obviously alter that. Media, so a few more options, videos, collages, galleries, menus. So more often than not, you only want one menu on your site, and that'll be at the top, but you can change how that menu looks. Social elements, you can actually use the social media features of the GainOnline platform to actually paste your Facebook page onto a website, rather than having people leave your website to go to Facebook, which is a really, really strong feature. Some form elements, so you can create a really complex form if you wanted to. E-commerce elements, and some advanced elements, forums, schedulers, callbacks, coupons, you name it. You can build just about any type of website you want with this website builder, and we're always on hand as well to help you with anything that you might be struggling with. It is very straightforward things. Let's go back to basic, and we want to add a title to this page here. So we're just going to drag title across to where we want it, and I want it just here above this paragraph. Okay. And currently it's set to the page name, but I want to call it something different, so I'm going to call it Our Services. Okay. Now you can see it's white, which isn't ideal for this. So let's go for styling. And we're going to choose text, and then we're going to choose the color of the text, and we're going to make it black so it stands out. Okay. That's straightforward. Lots of the options for you. You can go into as little or as much detail as you want. Alignment, colors, font types, make it bold, make it italic, underline it. A few more options, so background colors, maybe a background image, some layout options. So instead of having to, traditionally you would have to code these sort of options in, but with this page builder, you're able to do this all all automatically with the options here. So margins, so you see that's a top margin, so we're pushing it down. Maybe we want a bottom margin, so there's more space between the paragraph and the title. That's all doable. Left and right, really easy. Padding is a very similar situation. So we won't fiddle around with that now. Some more effects, maybe we want a shadow. I'm not too keen on that, so let's turn it back to how it was. We can also have a text shadow and some advanced options, which I doubt very much that you're going to have to ever use, but if you want to get your hands into the nitty-gritty, that's always an option for you. Okay, so I'm happy with that page now, so let's move on to the About page. So we're going to go back to the sitemap and click on the About, and you'll see again all these templated features that you're able to change for your own business, to customize it to your business. But because the template's there, it means that we could potentially go live with your website in half a day rather than a month or two. So it's really, really powerful stuff. Okay, if you've got any questions about the site builder, do get in touch. My name's Bo again. I hope to speak to you soon. Thank you. Bye.